Drink your prune juice! Penis! Penis!
What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you my Angry Birds collection. So first off, when he talks, I'm really angry. in his feather. And next, this is my Angry Birds piggy bank that I had. This was my first Angry Birds merch, so yeah, I don't want to take it out because it's kind of heavy, but yeah. Up next is this Angry Birds toy, McDonald's. He used to turn on to light up, but this year it's like 10 years old, so it doesn't light up anymore. Up next is my Angry Birds movie cup, water bottle. I used to use it every day. DVD. Inside it has the disc. It says Volume 1, and it has a bonus disc that's like in a paper. So yeah. Angry Birds Star Wars for 3DS. Here it is. Well, it's not in there because it's in my 3DS, but here's the paper. It's just Nintendo Club. Up next in the collection is the 2-pack DVD that has the first movie and the second movie inside, and here it is. There's the first movie and there's the second movie. Angry Birds Star Wars for Xbox 360, and there's the game. I think the case is broken, but there's the back. And last in the collection is Angry Birds Trilogy for Xbox 360. This is my favorite game. There's the disc and the manual, and there's the back. And that's the end of the Angry Birds collection. So make sure to like and subscribe.